Good morning, my dear student, and good morning to all parents who are watching to us in online education of Join School. And I would like to go directly in the topic to my student. The today's topic in Unit 3 is folk musical instrument. Yesterday we discussed about this folk song. We discussed about on this topic yesterday. Now today the next topic is that the folk musical instrument. Okay, so we must have to know the definition or the concept about this folk musical instrument. A musical instrument that developed among these common people, that is developed or invented by these our ancestors in this ancient period of time, but basically it does not have known who discover such types of this musical instrument, and that has been practiced in this Nepalese society since very long ancient period of time, and that has been handed over from one generation to another generation. Oh, that is known as, that is called, yes, the folk musical instrument. Lok baja in Nepali it means the folk musical instrument, okay, that has been developed by our ancestor, but we unknown who discover, who invented such types of this musical instrument, but also it has been practices in different caste, in different community, in different society, which is our identity. Such types of this folk musical instrument that is practiced from the ancient period of time, and that has been handed over from one generation to another generation, that is known as this folk musical instrument. Very simple, very easy lesson this is for my dear student, so that please listen me carefully. It is not so hard lesson. And now we are in this Unit 3 in the topic, in the lesson that the folk musical instrument. Okay, once again, a musical instrument that develop among these common people, that is develop among these common people, सर्वसाधारणहरूबाटै यसको विकास भएको हो र चलन चल्तीमा यो चाहिँ के प्र्याक्टिस हुँदै 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 अहिलेको जेनेरेसनमा यो के भएको छ, हस्तान्तरित भएको छ, ह्यान्डओभर भएको छ. द्याट इज कलेक्टिभली or basically known as this folk musical instrument. So what are such types of this folk musical instrument that has been practiced in the Nepalese society, in different communities, in different ethnic groups, or in the indigenous groups also, in different caste, in different race. Okay, the first one is this madal. It is also known as the tum tum. Okay, my dear student, it is first introduced by our Magar community. At the beginning time, this musical instrument has been used, practiced or prevalent, especially in the Magar community, that is known as madal. It is the folk musical instrument. Yes, it is developed in the Magar community, but today in Nepalese society it has been used by all Nepalese people, all Nepalese caste of these people. The madal is the folk musical instrument of Nepal. First. Second one is that sarangi. Everybody know that sarangi, especially it has been used by our Gandharva Nepalese people. Okay, Gandharva especially means that is Batule Chaur of the Pokhara. Mostly that has been used in from that area, especially Gandharva Nepalese people. They use such types of this musical instrument. And flute. Flute means basuri. Very simple, very easy lesson I told just now to you all my student. Flute, it has been used by all Nepalese people. And similarly there is this khaijadi. Okay, what a name, khaijadi. Okay, its name is so like the different for the youths. Okay, but also it is our folk musical instrument that is known as the khaijadi, that has been used especially during the bhajan and kirtan. Okay, the khaijadi is also one of the most popular, famous folk musical instrument that has been practiced in Nepalese society from this ancient period of time, that has been used by our respected ancestors. Okay, and similarly khaijadi, yes, especially it has been bhajan kirtan, it has been used. Similarly there is the pungi. What a name, pungi. Okay, pungi is also known as, in this understandable word, it means the bin, that has been used by this saperas. Okay, जसले सर्पहरू चाहिँ किन लिएर हिँडेका हुन्छन्, त साँपहरूलाई नचाउने क्रियाकलापहरूमा सन्दर्भमा स्पेशली चाहिँ सपेराहरूले युज गर्ने त्यस्तो चाहिँ कि मौलिक लोक बाजालाई पुङ्गी भनिन्छ. त्यसको अर्को स्वरूप या नाम चाहिँ बीन पनि हो. Okay, and similarly Tungna. Okay, Tungna is also one of the folk musical instrument that has been used especially by the people of Himalayan region. The people of Himalayan region used to practice this Tungna in the Himalayan region. It looks like it is like a similar with this Sarangi too. Okay, Sarangi, so that is this Tungna. And similarly, there is the Alambar. It is practiced especially in the Kirat community, Alambar. Okay, and there is this Ektare. We are discussing right now about this folk musical instrument, and I am trying to give this many more examples to make you understand what is this folk musical instrument. Okay, the Ektare that has been used especially by the Seg, or you can say Asiatics. Asiatics means there's yogi haru, and sex means sadhu mahatma harule prayog गर्ने चाहिँ musical instrument that is known as the Ektare. So Ektare is also this categorized in the folk musical instrument. Okay, my dear student. And similarly there is the Urni. So amazing names of the folk musical instrument that has been prevalent in the Nepalese society, but till most of the youths or the student are unknown about this. Hey, त यी कुराहरू हाम्रो देशमा हुँदाहुँदै पनि यी कुराहरू छन् कि छैनन् त भन्ने कुरा अझै कतिपयहरूलाई थाहा नभएको अवस्था पनि छ. So that it has been included in the curriculum of class 10 unit 3 to make this student from this school level, to make them to understand about the value and the importance of such types of this folk musical instrument, which are our identity, which are our pride. Okay, and it also symbolize our norms, values, culture, traditions too. Okay, and similarly Yalambar is famous especially in the Kirat community. Ektare is famous or prevalent or used by the Sikhs and the Asiatics. Okay, yogi haru, or you can say sadhu mahatma haru. Okay, badi use garchani kuraharu. Similarly Urni is also the folk musical instrument that is practiced especially Dhimal community, and there is the Dhangro also. Okay, especially it is used by the Sherpas in the Tamang community, especially by the witch doctors. In Nepalese society there is this Dhami and Jhakri Pratha, or you can say custom Pratha. In such types of these act and activities, such types of these folk musical instruments are used, especially in this rural areas. Okay, ग्रामीण क्षेत्रहरूमा अझै पनि यस्ता चाहिँ folk musical instrumentहरूको प्रयोग भएको पाइन्छ. And there is the Hudko. What a name. Okay, Hudko, HUDKO. It is given in this lesson also. Okay, my dear student, the Hudko is practices especially in this province number 7. Hudko is also the folk musical instrument that has been practiced in this province number 7. It looks like a damaru. Okay, it looks like a damaru, and such types of this folk musical instrument has been used in the Khaptar fair. Khaptar ko mela haru, especially in province number 7, such types of the folk musical instrument are used. And there are many more other folk musical instrument that has been practiced and the prevalent in the Nepalese society and in this Nepalese community. But we have only 30-minute class, so I am presenting here about this important topic and this knowledge to you. Okay, and other things are also mentioned in the lesson, so I kindly request to the student to please open this lesson at the home. Don't feel lazy. Okay, and you must have to caliber from your side also to know many more knowledge and this knowledge about this topic and this subject matters of the social study. Okay, and I hope you will do that in your home. Okay, so now listen to me here. There is this Naumati Baja also. Okay, the combination of this 9 folk musical instrument of Nepalese society is known as this Naumati Baja, and deeply you understand like this: the combination of 9 musical instrument, 9 वटा बाजाहरू मिलेर बनेको समूह. Okay, the combination of 9 musical instrument including the Panche Baja. त्यसमा Panche Baja means combination of 5 folk musical instrument. In Naumati Baja there is this Panche Baja plus Damaha. Okay, Panche Baja plus Damaha and Sahanai, as well as the 2 Narsinga. 2 Narsinga, Narsingaलाई के पनि भनिन्छ भने कर्नल पनि भनिन्छ. यी म्युजिकल इन्स्ट्रुमेन्टहरू मिलेर बनेको बाजालाई के भनिन्छ त भन्दाखेरि नौमती बाजा भनेर भनिन्छ. And what is Naumati Baja may be asked in yes group A, okay, and this lesson also important for yes 5 marks only, 1 marks in the group A and the 4 marks in this group B, okay. The Naumati Baja, the combination of yes 9 musical instrument including the Panche Baja plus Damaha, Sahanai as well as extra to Narsimha or yes extra to Kernel, that is known as this Naumati Baja. That is known as the Naumati Baja, and you must have to understand about the concept of yes Panche Baja too. Okay, what is Panche Baja then? The folk musical instrument which is used especially marriage ceremony, and similarly Bartabandha and other yes religious yes programs. They are yes Narsinga, Jhali, okay, Sahanai, similarly is Nagara and Tamko. These are the 5 musical instruments, especially they are used. They are unique features. They are used especially in this marriage ceremony or yes other yes cultural yes work and activities or the fairs in the Nepalese society, that is known as the Panche Baja. Now, learning all these concepts about this our lesson, the folk musical instrument, what kind of the question is asked in this examination, that must be our focus point. That must be the focus point of this student. How the question is asked in examination. Listen me now carefully. The Panche Baja means the combination of 5 folk musical instrument, okay. They are Narsinga, Jhali, Sahanai, Nagara, okay, and the Tamko is collectively known as the Panche Baja, okay. And my dear student, how the question is asked then? Question is asked, creative questions are asked, and you have to create the answer by using your own words, your own ideas, okay. Now listen me how the question is asked in examination. The Panche Baja which is played during the wedding ceremony, means marriage ceremony, okay, is being displaced, हराउँदै गइरहेको छ, okay. The Panche Baja which is played during this wedding ceremony or other yes Nepalese cultural programs being displaced by the imported band. ल्याइएका वैदेशिक ब्यान्डहरूले हाम्रो चाहिँ कि त पञ्चे बाजालाई रिप्लेस गरिरहेको छ, तिनीहरूको भ्यालुलाई चाहिँ के त भन्दाखेरि मिनिमाइज गर्दै लगेको छ. यो सन्दर्भमा डे बाई डे it is mostly displaced in the urban area. शहरी क्षेत्रमा त प्राय जसो यो चाहिँ लोप नै भइसकेको अवस्था रहेको छ. And similarly is being replaced slowly in the yes rural areas also. गाउँ घरतिर पनि पञ्चे बाजा को प्रयोग गर्ने प्रचलन बिस्तारै कम हुँदै गइरहेको छ ड्यू टु दिस इम्पोर्टेड म्युजिक एन्ड दिस ब्यान्ड. अंग्रेजी बाजा को प्रयोगले गर्दाखेरि जुन हाम्रो पहिचान, हाम्रो गरिमामय र हाम्रो चाहिँ एन्सेस्टर्सहरूले चाहिँ के त भन्दाखेरि आर्जेको सिर्जना गरेको यस्तो चाहिँ के त भन्दाखेरि मतलब सम्पत्तिलाई हामी चाहिँ के त भन्दा बिर्सिदै गइरहेका छौं र यो चाहिँ लोप हुने अवस्थामा पुगेको छ. लिसन मी नाइसली. The what measures should be taken to continue this practice of Panche Baja in this Nepalese society? The Panche Baja लाई व्यापक मात्रामा चाहिँ प्रयोग गर्नका लागि समाजमा समुदायमा हामीले आउने दिनहरुमा के गर्नुपर्छ is the question. Like this the question is asked in examination. And present your argument. Argument means tarka. Present your argument in 4 points. Such types of the questions are asked in group B for 4 marks. Such types of the questions are given in your lesson in textbook also, in 10 set also, as well as in the practice of 30 days too. The such types of the questions are very important. The our Panche Baja are displaced by the imported Baja, okay, in the name of modernization. The what measures should be done, what things should be considered by us to preserve, to use such types of the folk musical instrument in the Nepalese society, in the Nepalese community. The listen how you have to create the answer in examination. Encourage, first of all, encourage its practice. यसको चाहिँ के त भन्दाखेरि प्र्याक्टिसमा सबैलाई इन्करेज गर्नु पर्यो। फर्स्ट, इन्करेज इट्स प्र्याक्टिस इन डिफ्रेन्ट एक्टिभिटिज लाइक रिलिजियस, सोसल एन्ड ट्रेडिसनल फङ्सन्स। परम्परागत समारोहहरूमा हाम्रो पञ्चे बाजालाई फर्स्ट एन्ड टप मस्ट प्रायोरिटी दिनु पर्यो, नट टु द फरेन म्युजिकल इन्स्ट्रुमेन्ट और इम्पोर्टेड वाट द बेन्ड बाजा। त हामीले हाम्रो सेरिमोनिजहरूमा चाहे त्यो व्रतबन्ध होस्, चाहे त्यो विवाह होस् या सांस्कृतिक राजनीतिक कुनै पनि प्रोग्राम्सहरू होस्, त्यसमा हामीले चाहिँ के त भन्दाखेरि पञ्चे बाजालाई नै फर्स्ट एन्ड फरमोस्ट चाहिँ के त प्रायोरिटी दिन आवश्यक छ। यस्तो खालको संस्कार हामीले विकास गऱ्यौँ भने हामी यसलाई के गर्न सक्छौँ, अभियसली जगेर्ना गर्न सक्छौँ। त यस्तो किसिमको क्रियाकलापहरू गतिविधिहरू हामीले चाहिँ के त भन्दाखेरि मन मस्तिष्कबाट नै व्यवहारमा ल्याउनु पर्यो, अनि मात्र हामी चाहिँ के पञ्चे बाजालाई आउने दिनहरूमा कन्टिन्यू गर्न सक्छौँ, युज गर्न सक्छौँ। इन दिस वे माई डियर स्टुडेन्ट यु हेभ टु क्रिएट द आन्सर। ओके, नाउ नेक्स्ट सिमिलरली प्रोहिबिटेसन, रोक लगाउनु पर्यो। प्रोहिबिटेसन टु बेन्ड बाजा इन दिस म्यारिज एन्ड अदर अकेजन्स। विभिन्न अकेजन्सहरूमा, म्यारिजहरूमा और क्यान से कल्चरल फङ्सन्सहरूमा के गर्नु पर्यो त भन्दाखेरि प्रोहिबिट गर्नु पर्यो, रोक लगाउनु पर्यो। वैदेशिक या विदेशबाट आएका या इम्पोर्टेड बेन्ड बाजाहरूलाई हामीले चाहिँ के त भन्दाखेरि युज गर्नु भएन। टप प्रायोरिटी हामीले केलाई दिनु पर्यो त भन्दाखेरि आवर पञ्चे बाजा। देन ओन्ली वी क्यान प्रिजर्भ, प्रमोट एन्ड प्र्याक्टिस रेगुलरली इन आवर नेप्लिज सोसाइटी, in Nepalese community. Such types of the creation, my dear student, must have to include in your words while you are writing this answer in examinations. In this way you have to give the answer. Okay, and third, पञ्चे बाजा should not be taken as only the source of livelihood. पञ्चे बाजालाई जीवन यापन गर्ने माध्यमको रूपमा मात्रै लिनु भएन, बुझ्नु भएन, अवलम्बन गर्नु भएन। It must be known to the all caste of the Nepalese people. So for that, different academic institutions must be established to provide the education of our folk musical instrument like Naumati Baja, like this Panche Baja. If such types of the measures are done in coming days, obviously there is no doubt, we can preserve, we can promote, we can protect, we can use regularly such types of the folk musical instrument in our society, in our community, and obviously in our nation too. Like this you have to create the answer in examination. Similarly, youths are the backbone of the nation, youths are the pillar of the nation. The youths must be encouraged in these sectors, in such types of this folk musical instrument, instead of this you can say a drum set, or you can say guitar or a piano. It should be used, but such types of the musical instrument must be included in our folk musical instrument also. So it gives the outstanding plus point to develop the the folk musical instrument of our nation, of our community, of our society. The youths must be encouraged in the sectors of this folk musical instrument, especially in the Panche Baja. Like this, my dear student, you must have to create the answer in your examination. The Panche Baja, which is played during the wedding ceremony, okay, being displayed by this imported band baja and this music day by day, it is almost displaced in these urban areas. सहरी क्षेत्रमा त प्राय जसो यसको प्रयोग अलिक कम मात्रामा हुन थालेको या भएको पाइन्छ भने स्लोली एन्ड ग्रेजुअली गाउँघरमा पनि यो चाहिँ के त भन्दाखेरि बिस्तारै बिस्तारै चाहिँ के त लुप हुँदै गएको चाहिँ के त भन्दाखेरि अवस्थामा यसलाई बचाउनको लागि, प्रिजर्भ गर्नको लागि हामीले आउने दिनहरूमा के गर्नुपर्छ, like this the questions is asked in this examinations. So these things should be considered by my dear students, how the question is asked and how you have to create the answer. Now the next topic, the folk dance. The dance that has been performed, same like this folk musical instrument, folk song. Now the folk dance, lok nach it means, the dance that has been practices from this ancient period of time and that is prevalent in the different community and in different society, okay, and that has been handover from one generation to another generation, that is known as this folk dance. This lesson is very easy, not so hard for my dear student. So listen me carefully. I would like to make you understand by giving this differences between differences between folk dance and this classical dance. This question is also very, very important for its examination point of view. It is already asked in the examination also. Okay. So now listen me carefully. According to this differentiate method, I would like to make you convinced to understand about this folk dance and the classical dance. Or question may be asked you like this also, differentiate between the folk dance and the classical dance. Folk dance or classical dance ma ke bhinnata cha? Like this the question is asked in examination. Okay. The lesson is very easy, not so hard. Okay, my dear student. Okay, now listen me. The folk dance means a traditional dance of particular group of people or place. Particular people, particular यस प्लेसमा नाचिने नाचलाई folk dance भनिन्छ, लोक नाच भनिन्छ. And what is classical dance? The dance describing the character of God and goddesses. भगवान, भगवानी, male god, female god. Okay. बनेर जुन चाहिँ कि त हामी नृत्यहरू देखाउँछौं र रिलिजियस चाहिँ कि त भन्दाखेरि स्क्रिप्चर्स को आधारमा यसलाई परफर्म गर्छौं हो, दैट इज नोन एज द क्लासिकल डांस. फोल्क डांस इज द ट्रेडिशनल डांस अफ द पार्टिकुलर ग्रुप एंड द कम्युनिटी. यो पर्टिकुलर ग्रुप और कम्युनिटी और कास्ट को आधारमा निर्धारित भएको हुन्छ फोल्क डांस. बट क्लासिकल डांस डिस्क्राइबिङ द क्यारेक्टर अफ द गॉड एंड गॉडेसेस and similarly religious as scriptures, that is known as the classical dance. Okay. And folk dance again were performed according to the folk music. The classical dance perform गर्नको लागि folk music को आवश्यकता पर्दछ. Similarly, classical dance is performed according to the classical music. Folk dance folk music को आधारमा नाचिन्छ, classical dance classical music को आधारमा नाचिन्छ. Folk dance folk music को आधारमा, classical dance classical चाहिँ के music को आधारमा नाचिन्छ. These are the differences between yes folk dance and classical dance. And folk dance yes did not yes required any yes special costumes. पोशाक को आवश्यकता पर्दैन है. For example, in Tej, female used to dance in this blouse and sari also. They used to dance in this, you know, that maxi also. And modern yes youths, especially yes girls, unmarried girls, they used to dance in the yes choose pant and the choose t-shirt also. Means that in folk dance there is no required the special yes what this customs. कुनै पनि निश्चित पोशाकको आवश्यकता पर्दैन. There is no need about this steps, okay, or you can say rules and regulation. But in classical dance there is need the special costumes. विशेष किसिमको चाहिँ पोशाकको आवश्यकता पर्दछ. And there is need the steps also, there is need the makeup also, and they must have to follow certain rules and regulation in classical dance. So these are the differences between the folk dance and this classical dance. In this way you have to create the answer in examination, my dear student, if such types of the questions are asked in examinations to you. Then now listen to me here. It did not require any special costumes, or it did not require any special kinds of the steps, rules and regulation in this folk song. जे लगाएर जसरी नाचे पनि भयो, जता घुमेर नाचे पनि भयो, जसरी हात हल्लाए पनि भयो in folk dance. But in classical dance there is need the certain rules and regulations. Steps are required there. Special kinds of the makeup are required. You know, Kathak dance, especially practices in this India. There is need this unique yes what this dress also. There is need unique makeup also, and similarly certain steps and the rules and regulations are required in classical dance. These are the differences between, okay, these are the differences between the folk dance and this classical dance. So please remember all these things in your mind, my dear student. Okay, we are doing labor for you all. Okay, and similarly now listen to me here. The folk dance are belongs to particular caste, particular group of the people. Folk dance जाति अनुसार, जनजाति अनुसार, रेस अनुसार निर्धारण हुन्छ भने classical dance may not be based on the particular caste. So these are the differences between folk dance and this classical dance. To make you more yes conscious and understand about this topic, I would like to give this example to you. Okay. So now listen to me here. Dhan Nach. It is practiced in Nepal, and yes, Chandi Naach, Ghatu Naach, Deuda Naach, okay. Similarly, yes, Khayali, okay, Khayali dance and yes, Jharra dance are the yes folk dance. You Lok Naach ho, that is practices in this Nepalese society. So these are the best example of folk dance, and the example of this classical dance are Panchabaudha dance. पाँचवटा व्यक्तिहरू बुद्ध जस्तो बनेर बुद्धको ड्रेस लगाएर बुद्धको जीवनमा भएका गतिविधिहरूलाई चाहिँ के त भन्दाखेरि शरीरको चाहिँ एक्सप्रेसनबाट एक्सप्लेन गर्ने नाच. इट इज प्र्याक्टिस इन दिस काठमाडौँ भ्याली मस्टली, इन धरान अल्सो, इन पाल्पा अल्सो. Okay, similarly, Chariya dance, Kartik dance, Sakhiya dance, practice especially in this Tharu community. Sakhiya, especially girls used to wear the special dress. There is near the special steps and they used to dance Sakhiya. साथी साथी मिलेर नाचिने नाच in Tharu community, in Chaudhary community. Okay, and similarly Kathak dance. Okay, so these are the best examples of this what classical dance. Now listen me here. By learning all these things, the what types of the question is asked in this examination point of view. That must be our focus point. That must be the focus point of the student too. What kinds of the questions may be asked and how these answers should be created is the first and foremost requirement while learning anything, any subject, either in school, either in online, either in other methods. Okay, now listen to me here carefully. The folk music represents. This answer must be created by yourself. Many more idea I have been given to you. Some responsibility that belongs to a student also. The folk music represents the culture of certain place or race. Justify. Like this the question is asked. Folk music, dance or song that represents the culture of certain place or race. कुनै पनि क्षेत्र, कुनै पनि जाति, कुनै पनि वर्गलाई folk music, folk musical instrument ले represent गरेको हुन्छ, प्रतिनिधित्व गरेको हुन्छ. कसरी, how, explain. You can give the example of Teej, you can give the example of Deosi and Bhailo during this Tihar. Okay, you can give this example of this Dhan dance, you can give this example of this Ghatu dance. Ghatu dance especially practices in the Gurung community. Okay, in this way the question is asked in the examination. And similarly folk song, folk yes musical instrument, dance complementary with each other. Complementary भनेको परिपूरक. In the absence of one, another did not yes exist. एउटाको अभावमा अर्को चल्नु सक्दैन. The folk song, folk musical instrument and folk dance are complementary to each other. Justify the statement by giving this many more examples. Like this the questions are asked in examination. And next one is that what is Dhan dance? In which community does this yes belongs to? Like this also the question is asked. Okay, simply the Dhan dance is practices especially in this Limbu community. Especially it is performed by the youths, girls and boys. Okay, during this Mela and Parva with this Palam song. Palam गीत गाएर यो चाहिँ के भन्दाखेरि नाचहरू नाचिन्छ. I have read in different yes publication and the book that in Dhan dance त्यो धानहरू काटिसकेपछि त्यो खरियान जस्तोमा चाहिँ के त भन्दाखेरि दौनी गर्ने बेलामा केटाकेटीहरूले त्यहाँ काम गर्छन्. साँझसम्म त्यहाँ काम हुन्छ र त्यो काम गर्ने क्रममा चाहिँ एकले अर्कालाई मन पराउने चाहिँ के त भन्दाखेरि गतिविधिहरू हुन्छ, मन पराउने गतिविधि हुन्छ र एकले अर्कालाई मन पराइसकेपछि रातिमा चाहिँ भाग्ने, केटाले केटी लिएर चाहिँ भाग्ने, त्यस्तो खालको चाहिँ कल्चर. स्पेशली इट इज प्र्याक्टिस इन द लिम्बू कम्युनिटी द्याट इज नोन एज दिस धान डान्स. भागेर गइसकेपछि र केटा र केटीको पक्षबाट चाहिँ के भन्दाखेरि बुवा या आमा या रिलेटिभ्सहरूले एकअर्काको घरमा गएर कन्भिन्स गर्ने काम र कन्भिन्स भइसकेपछि उनीहरूलाई विवाह गराइदिने क्रियाकलापहरू. यस्तो खालको चाहिँ के त भन्दाखेरि ट्रेडिसन, नर्म्स एन्ड भ्यालुज. स्पेशली इट इज प्र्याक्टिस इन द लिम्बू कम्युनिटी एन्ड इट इज डान्स बाई दिस स्पेशली युथ्स अफ दिस लिम्बू. Okay, that such types of the dance is known as this Dhan dance. Okay, and especially in this examination Dhan dance गरेको चाहिँ के त भन्दा पिक्चर पनि सोधिराखेको अवस्था छ. केटा र केटी नाचिराखेको र चाहिँ look at this picture which folk is dance depict by which is folk dance does the picture depicted explain भनेर सोधिन सक्छ चित्रहरू दिएर त्यो चित्रमा भएको चाहिँ डान्स कुन चाहिँ कम्युनिटीसँग रिलेटेड छ लाइक दिस also this question is asked in examination okay and similarly Ghatu dance what types of the dance is Ghatu dance in which community or caste it belongs to like this also the question is asked in the examination and is especially Ghatu dance is practiced in our Nepalese Gurung community okay especially unmarried girls of 11 or 19 years old they used to dance dance such types of this dance and there is one saying that while dancing teachers or guruba and guru ama they enter in their soul of this such types of the girl नाच्दा नाच्दै त्यस्ता गर्ल्सहरुको चाहिँ आत्मामा चाहिँ के त भन्दाखेरि आफ्नो चाहिँ गुरु या गुरु आमा चाहिँ चढ्ने चलन छ यसमा र चढिसकेपछि उनीहरु अझै चाहिँ के त भन्दाखेरि बढी एक्टिभ भएर चाहिँ उनीहरु नाच्छन् उनीहरु भन्ने खालको चाहिँ विश्वासहरु रहेको छ The such types of the dance, Ghatu dance especially practiced in the Gurung community and Dhan dance especially it is famous and practices or is prevalent in this Limbu community especially in different Mela and Parva and by using the song of Palang song Palang भन्ने चाहिँ गाना गाएर चाहिँ यस्तो खालको चाहिँ नाचहरु नाच्ने प्रचलन रहेको छ त today we finished about this folk musical instrument and tomorrow again I will come with this next topic of unit 3 now we are in unit 3 in this lesson 2 that is a folk musical instrument and tomorrow we will again meet here with this next topic and this much for today my dear student and thank you very much of watching all these things from your home and I would like to request please labor hard from this your home level also don't be as lazy okay and thank you very much for today thank you very much